Hello friends, DRAGO here, and you are watching The DRAGO Show.
Feel this way forever. I'm Byron Jackson. Never meant to make your daughter cry.
If you guys enjoy the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon near the subscribe button for quick notifications. Unboxing Logitech MK345 and Neon Gaming Mousepad. So guys, today I am going to unbox Logitech 345 and Neon Gaming Mousepad. Inside the box we get a keyboard, a mouse and a wireless dongle for both mouse and the keyboard. Now let's talk about the mouse. It's a right-handed mouse. The cursor control of mouse is responsive and very smooth. But its size of mouse is medium, not much big, not much small. It comes with an on and off switch and a scroll wheel in center. Now let's take a look at the keyboard. The keyboard has spill-resistant design. The wireless range of both keyboard and mouse is 10 meters. It does not come with many light indicators. It only has a caps lock light indicator and an on and off switch. It only supports Windows OS from Windows XP to Windows 10. Now let's unbox Neon Gaming Mousepad. The mousepad is really good quality. It's soft and smooth on top. And it has rubber on bottom for more grip. The links to all products is in description.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun.